Betha, how do I get my tax identification number? Where can I get it? What is FIRS? What is LIRS? Today, I'll be throwing more lights on these questions, so if that's something you're interested in, then do keep on watching.
Ryan Little.
Now let's start from the very beginning. What is TIN? Now, TIN simply means your tax identification number, and it is a unique identifier for either an individual or a company for the purpose of tax payment, okay? Your next question will be, how do I apply or generate my TIN? For individuals, you are automatically expected to provide your NIN, which means your national identity number, or your BVN, which would either mean your biometric or bank verification number. You may also be required to write a letter of application when you visit any tax authority office nearest to you. Now, for non-individuals, that is businesses or companies, you'll be required to provide your CAC certificate, which means your Corporate Affairs Commission certificate, okay? I'm sure your next question is, how much will it cost? Better, is it free? Anyways, applying for your TIN ought to be free, especially if you do it on your own, but you only get to pay when you involve a third party to assist you, okay? Now you're wondering, how long does it take to generate my TIN? Look, ideally, generating TIN is usually a real-time process. However, it should not exceed 48 hours after requesting. You can actually request for your TIN via the Joint Tax Board, and their website is tin.jtb.gov.ng. okay, so this is basically what their website looks like. I'm just showing you so that you don't get it twisted. It says, welcome to JTB TIN registration system. You have the TIN verification portal, access TIN registration system, and register for TIN, which is your major concern here, so you want to click on that. Now, once it opens up, it's going to ask you to fill out a lot of information, and this is actually for the non-individual, okay? This is for businesses. You want to fill out your full name, phone number, email addresses, just all that good stuff, and then you click on submit, okay? Like I said, it's for non-individuals. I'm just running you guys through the page one more time. And of course, once you click on the select organization type, like I'll show you now, it will bring out the type of organization. So you want to click on the one that best fits your business type. You also want to select the business sector, agriculture, manufacturing, all of that. Just select it and make sure that the information is correct before you click on send. All right, if you also want to verify, you can click on that like I'm showing now, and it will take a while to open. Or I don't know if it is my own internet, but once it opens up, you'll be required to add your date of incorporation or date of birth, and you can also add your BVN or NIN or CAC registration number, and then you click on I'm not a robot. So what you want to do is read the following instruction. This part I'm showing now is for the individual taxpayer, while the other part is for the non-individual taxpayer. Please make sure to read the instruction before you say Betha said I should click. Read though, read. Now for the access TIN reg, you also want to click on that, and it should bring a page that says you should input your username, your password, and then you log in. Now if you do not have any of that, then you want to sign up, okay? So this is me just showing you what it looks like so that you don't make the mistake, and just so that you don't have to go and get a third party who will now tell you that you are going to pay one money, and then you now be asking yourself, did Betha say you have to pay money? Now let's take a minute to talk about LIRS, which is what I use for mine. Now, LIRS simply means Lagos State Internal Revenue Services, and this is the operational arm of Lagos State when it comes to taxes and other revenues. You can also visit their website via etax.lirs.net, okay? The only difference is LIRS is for Lagos State, while FIRS is federal, and it cuts across every part of Nigeria. So if you're not in Lagos, please feel free to visit any of the FIRS offices near you, or just about any tax authority office to get it sorted out, okay? So one more time, this is me showing you what the website looks like. This is the home page, and as you can see, it says Internal Revenue Service for Lagos State. Lagos State, Anyways, after that, you want to click on your taxpayer ID that would have a prefix with N or C and your password, and then you log in. But if this is your first time on the page, you want to click on create new tax ID. That's what you want to click on, and once you click on that, it would open up for you to fill in some information. Of course, you need to read the instruction by the side there and make sure not to make any mistakes. Now you want to click on individual, that's if you're opening for yourself, or you want to click on corporate if you're opening for your business or your company, as the case may be. Then you want to enter your BVN number, just like I told you guys earlier, and then your date of birth. Now, as soon as you input all this information, you want to click on I'm not a robot, okay? Because some people now, they be robots, they behave like robots. Once you click on that, you want to also click on proceed, okay? Now, I'm not going to be clicking on that because I already did mine. If you have an account, you want to log in here to check, I can actually click on this to check mine, or sign up with my taxpayer ID if I already had an existing one, okay? I remember someone asking, Betha, why should I select the individual tax instead of the corporate tax? For me, personally, I think that the individual tax will be a lot more affordable because business taxes are always quite on the high side, okay? So I would rather go with the individual tax in order to be treated as an individual and not a business body, okay? I like cheap things, or I like, affordable things, okay? Now that's all the information I have for you in this particular video. If you have any more questions, please feel free to leave them in the comment section. I already have a video where I showed the step-by-step process as to how you can fill in your Google tax information for non-US content creators. I would leave the link in the description box, so please feel free to check that out if that's something you're interested in. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for your love, thank you for sharing my videos, and I will definitely see you guys on the next one. Bye.